Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, privacy glass, front-wheel drive, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.